Uh-huh. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Check it. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy's sweet touch production. When she touch it, hey, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma split this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touched it. Craft so dope, she touched it. Case, Casey, cause she touched it. Abracadabra rest, oof, the center fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and shifts from the Great Lakes state. Set a spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way.
Hello all, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. If this is your first time, I welcome you in. And those of you who are faithful and troopers, thank you for coming back. Most appreciated. I wanted to show you my third 3D yarn art queen. This is wall decor. This is a hanging for your wall. I just want to describe it a little bit. I used this yarn here and made braids out of a yarn that's called fettuccine yarn. And I made these little coils out of aluminum wire and made coils for her hair decor, her hair jewels. And then I made her a barrette using large cowrie shells that are silver. I wrapped that in a magenta aluminum wire to form her barrette. I also made swirls and came all along the edge of her hair in the silver aluminum wire. I also made her an earring out of cowrie shells, silver cowrie shells, and there's a gold one right there. And I wrapped those also in the colored aluminum wire, putting a few swirls down here at the bottom. And then I made her a necklace out of the silver cowrie shells as well. I trimmed the edge all the way around with a adhesive glitter tape. And of course I signed this. I completed this one on 11/24/22. And this is the third of a series. And her name is Sasha. And I'll bring her up close so that you can get a good look of her and her jewels and the side of the frame. And then of course I finished the back off. I like it to be almost as pretty as the front. And I put her name on here, which is Sasha, and the date completed, 11/24, and she's number 3 in this series. And then, of course, I put Tracy Sweet Touch Production at the bottom and put the hardware on. And on the inside here, I used felt this time. I painted this and then used felt on the inside. And there you have it. I am almost complete with number 4. And she is indigo. And I'll be bringing her to you shortly. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. And we'll see you next time. Share me out if you care to. Peace and love. I'm out.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy, sweet touch production. When she touch it, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma split this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she